Hello everyone. In this video we're going to share the work that we finished in the Hyundai iX35 2014, the top option in the entertainment section. So it comes with the navigation and the premium sound setup. Anyway, we fit in our 10-inch touchscreen wireless Apple Carplay Android Auto, and it is premium version with the full HD anti-glare super night vision reverse camera upgrade. So steering wheel control connect, sound bypass amplifier, and boost up the speakers. Very nice sound setup now, and fit perfectly into the place like factory fit, and run very fast and very smooth with the premium version. And reverse camera is super clear, super detailed, and you can see that it shows the tow bar as well, and it is extremely clear and detailed. That's because it's far better camera that already fit at the same place like factory. And yep, it comes with the reason it show up like this because it's trying to take the front camera signal. We should turn off that option, so it comes back to Android Auto screen right now. So that's easy to go, and full steering wheel control. And the customer most special today is Canberra Day. This morning we got one Lexus IS 250 come back to Canberra, and this one come from Canberra and come back Canberra today as well. So happy day, happy weekend, and see you on the next one, and looking to see more Canberra customer coming in. Thank you.